Hey, it's quite weird. It's a strange scenery today. It's not a plane, but it's actually, the propulsion from the jet propulsion all the way out there, and it went around like that, and it came up from this side, that side, down there, all there. See that? It's quite strange for a jet plane or something, but I don't know if it's a jet plane. Could be a UFO. So, what do you think of that? It's a strange phenomenon. And the jet is actually all the way out there. See? It's all the way out there. I wonder if you can see that. And it's going that way. That way. That came from this side. It went a loop. Loop. So, it probably came up from that loop that way. Loop down there. Loopy loop. And it's going that way to Mount Cook. Anyway, that way, anyway. I just want to share that to people. Because it's the first time I've seen one like that. So, it's quite strange, right? It's a strange thing. Wonder why. It's far away now, you can't see it. Anyway, that's all. I just want to share that small. I don't know you can see the plane anymore.